Excuse.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
What's your good name?
I'm Daisy.
Daisy. Daisy, umeng'ara.
Thank you.
Isipokuwa
Yeah.
swali yangu kwako ni moja. Nani amekwambia tunataka kuona mapaja zako huku town jamani?
Nimekwambia unichunguze. I must dress the way I want.
What do you mean you must dress the way you want?
So, unaniuliza maswali mingi.
Huku ni town. Watu wengi wanashinda huku town.
Sijakataa. Are you my father? Who are you to me?
Okay, I'm super. Stop being rude. I'm just advising you.
Not rude. Before you advise me. Mamako kitambo alikuwa anavaa aje before umuone kama angali msichana kama mimi?
Sasa imetokea wapi? I'm just advising you.
Shughulika maisha. Haya. Mimi kuvaa hivi.
Mimi zaman nitaendea dem mwenye amevaa vizuri honestly.
So,
I'm just giving you advice.
Na mimi.
Okay, just a minute. Bwana Kiprotich.
No. I'm sorry.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Usimpigie.
I thought ulikuwa unaniambia I'm not your dad.
No.
Okay, stop. Acha kushika.
I'm sorry.
I thought you're not my dad.
No, forgive me.
Why should I forgive you? What makes you think I should forgive you?
You want to arrest me and I'm not ready to be arrested. Please.
So, what do we do?
Let me go home and wear decent the way you want.
Run.
Yes.
Run.